Hi everyone, this is Asher George from J2 Wealth. Thanks for tuning in to this week's market report. Let's get started off with world market news. US stock market fell sharply following Asia and Europe as fears rose that the American economy is heading for a slowdown. The technology-driven Nasdaq index opened 6.3% lower following a sharp decline in the last week, but pared its losses during the day. The other main US indexes also opened sharply down, while Europe and Asia's stock markets also plunged, with Japan's Nikkei 225 falling by about 12.4%. This comes after weak job data in the US, sparking concerns about the world's largest economy. US mortgage rates plummeted this week following weaker than expected employment data, improving the odds of US Federal Reserve cutting interest rates next month. The trade deficit in the US narrowed to $73.1 billion from its 20-month high in the previous month of $75 billion. Exports rose by 1.5% from the previous month to $265.9 billion, while imports rose by a mere 0.6% to $339 billion. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits fell by 17,000 to 230,000 for the period ending August 3rd. Moving into Indian market news. In the RBI monetary policy meeting, the RBI leaves repo rate unchanged at 6.5% and the estimation of GDP growth for FY25 at 7.2% and CPI inflation index at 4.5%. Government brings back indexation benefit for properties purchased before the budget. Indexation is the process of adjusting the original purchase price of an asset or investment. It allows the taxpayer to neutralize the impact of inflation while paying capital gains tax. Transaction limit for taxpayers through UPI have been hiked from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 5 lakhs. Nightlife boost in the city of Bengaluru. Karnataka government has allowed the shops and establishments to remain open till 1 am. The National Stock Exchange has achieved a major milestone. The investor base of the National Stock Exchange has crossed 10 crore mark as of August 8, 2024. The NSE's investor base grew from 4 crores in March 2021 to 10 crores in over 3 years. Notably, the last 1 crore additions happened in the last 5 months, reflecting a sharp rise in investor registrations. Systematic investment plans hit an all-time high of 23,332 crores in the reporting month when compared to 21,262 crores in the month of June. The net asset under management in the mutual fund industry grew by 6.23% to a record high of 64.97 lakh crores as of July 31st, 2024. This rise was largely driven by an increase in inflows into debt-oriented mutual fund schemes. Rollercoaster session for the markets. Nifty ends below 24,400 points, while Sensex struggles to hold 80,000 points, even though RBI left interest rates unchanged. Sensex and Nifty 50 witnessed a heavy sell-off on Monday as the rout in global equities intensified amid US recession concerns and panic in the Japanese yen carry trade. Moving into stocks in news. CDSL shares jumped 6% up with a fresh 52-week high after 1:1 bonus issuance. LIC's stock portfolio jumps to Rs 15 lakh crores, 95 stocks sold in Q1. The Department of Financial Services appointed CS Sethi as the chairman for State Bank of India for the next 3 years, effective August 28th. NBCC to develop Rs 15,000 crores worth satellite township in Srinagar. Reliance chief Mukesh Ambani skips his salary for the 4th consecutive year. Since 2020, this has been Mukesh Ambani's decision. Trent Limited reported a net profit of 392.6 crores in FY25, rising 126% from the previous year. Thanks for tuning into this week's market report. See you again in the next week. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.